my dear students. So let's begin our class. Yes. So last class we were learning about a new topic, a new lesson up above the sky. Right? Yes. In that we discussed about the heavenly bodies like sun, star, moon, planets and satellites. Isn't it? Yes. Now today we are going to discuss about the new moon and full moon. Haven't you seen children at night where the moon is shining very brightly in some days and in some nights we cannot see the moon? Haven't you noticed that, children? Yes. So this is due to this new moon and full moon. So we can see what happens. So when the heavenly bodies like the sun, the moon and earth comes in a straight line. See, you can see the picture. When this comes in this position, when the moon is in between the sun and the earth, the one part of the moon is getting the sun's rays. We know that moon doesn't have its own light. It gets the light from the sun. Right? Yes. So one half of the moon is getting the sunlight and the other half, which is facing the earth, is not at all getting the sunlight. It is completely dark. So we people are living on the earth. So from the earth we cannot see the moon on the new moon day. So that is called new moon day or Kartavaava or Amavasi. We will say that like that. Different names are there for the new moon. Similarly, when the heavenly bodies like the sun, the earth and the moon comes in a straight line. See the picture. The sun's rays will fall on the earth and that rays will fall on the one half side of the moon, so that we can see the moon completely on the earth. So that is called full moon, and you might have seen that in some night and all the moon is shining very brightly. So this is due to the full moon day. It is on full moon day. It is known as Paurnami or Veluttavaava. This is the different names for full moon day. And also children, from the new moon day, that is new moon day, we will not be able to see the moon at all. Okay, slowly it will increase the size and finally it will be the full moon day. So after the new moon, it takes 14 days to become the full moon day. So there is a gap of 14 days after the new moon, and there is a gap of 28 days between two full moon days. Okay, so you can see the picture, children, that is from the new moon, that is you will not be able to see the moon at that time. It slowly increases its size. It is called crescent. Okay, it slowly increases its size and finally we can see the complete moon. So it takes 14 days to happen like this. Okay, so this is about the new moon and full moon. Then do you know who was the first person who landed on the moon? You know, moon is full of rocks, full of pits. Pits means holes. Okay, so it was Neil Armstrong who was the person who landed on the moon. He was the first astronaut to land on the moon. And after him, many persons had landed on the moon and collected many soil and rock particles from the moon for further studies. And we Indians have also sent there a spacecraft called Chandrayaan-1 for getting more information about the moon, and we were successful also. Okay, so Chandrayaan-1 is an artificial satellite. What is artificial satellites? The satellites which is made by man. We are sending it from here to the space with the help of rockets. So India has sent many artificial satellites. Most common are Aryabhatta, EduSat, Instant are the artificial satellites which was launched by India. For what purpose we are using, we are sending these artificial satellites? For transportation, for communication purposes, for identifying the land resources. So many purposes we are, for weather forecasting, we are sending the artificial satellites to the space with the help of rockets. So this is about today's topic. Today we learned about the new moon and the full moon day, and also the first person who had landed on the moon. Who was it? It was Neil Armstrong from USA. And also we learned about the artificial satellites and the uses of its artificial satellites. And the names, which are the names of some artificial satellites? Aryabhatta, EduSat and Instant. So hope you understood this lesson. So like that we came to the end of this lesson, and let us assess we will discuss in the class discussion time. So bye children.